Continuing the same topic of writing a grammar for a language. Again, in this video, we will see some more complicated terms of a languages for which we have to develop a context-free grammar. Now, we will take one example language, that is, for example, L is having a word and that is a part of a B star. Means it is a combination of A and B also. Again, these are some complicated terms, but if we will try to evaluate this, then it will use us the answers like it is a combination of AB star, means both the terms for star having the epsilon E, both are having the single A, single B. Again, comma means combination of this. Then at a time, for example, double A is there, is replaced by B with BA, then again BB, and so on. This will be the actual language for which we have to design a grammar. Now, for this, if we try to write any regular expression, then what it would be? It is a language. For regular expression, comma will going to be a plus sign, then it is a plus B star. So, for this, we have to achieve the grammar. We know here starting term is a epsilon. So one term fixed for the grammar, that is a excuse. Epsilon is there. Now here is a single A, single B. Means compulsory one rule for the means production rule for the grammar will contain A and grammar will contain the B. Now see here A is double time, then again B is double time, means it is recursively calling itself, so it is a A's and B's. So this is the grammar for the above language, means this is the final answer, that is the SQs A's, SQs B's or SQs epsilon, means after replacing each and every term depending on the string requirement, we can achieve the same language from this grammar. Now, we will take another example. Another language for the context-free grammar calculation. That is, for example, L is a language having the terms like epsilon, then AB, then AA, BB, and so on till A raised to N, B raised to N. After seeing this language carefully, we will get idea like it is nothing but a language for the grammar having in it equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Why? Because here is epsilon means 0A 0B, then 1A 1B, 2A 2B and so on. A raised to N, B raised to N means N will be the same for both, means equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Means this is a language for equal number of A's and B's. Now, how to calculate or write a grammar for such a language? Now, at the same time, in each term, A is there and B is there, but they are in a replicating terms, recursive terms. Means A is there, B is there, but again A, B, B. So, for this language, one production rule, that is the S gives epsilon, will be definitely there. Now, at the same time, each and every term is containing A and B also, but recursively. So we will take A is there, B is there also, but it is in a recursive terms. Means we again replace these terms with A, S, B, and finally replace S with epsilon. So this is the production rule or the context-free grammar for a language. Now we will take one string, that is the AAA BBB, to which we will try to generate from the grammar. For example, first production rule is ASB. Now carefully see our this first term is achieved. Remaining two letters are remaining. For this, we will again replace this with same, that is the A S B D. Means this was the original term. It is again replaced term. Now here two A and two B's are achieved. Only one A and B is remain. So we will again replace S with same. That is the A A A, S, B, again B, B. Now this was the third term. Now here we have 3 times A, 3 times B have achieved. Only replace S with epsilon. So we will get a final answer like A, B, B, B. So this is all about how to calculate a grammar for a language and how to calculate a string from that grammar also. Now we will take some other examples having the different mechanisms for solving a grammar. Now, for example, I will keep the same grammar as it is, but only replace here epsilon. Means this grammar is starting from AB, AABB and so on. So, how I will write the grammar? I have told you that you have to replace or the starting term of the grammar will be in the production. So S gives AB will be definitely in the grammar. This term is over. Now here you are knowing that this is the multiple terms of A and B. So we will take it here as A, S, B means multiple times of A and B has achieved. We will take another one example to solve a grammar for that, and that is it is nothing but this language having the word, and that is nothing but a part of a comma b star, such that W is a palindrome of odd length. What is a palindrome? When we will reverse any string, that string will be appearing as it is like of the previous one. Okay, and this is nothing but a palindrome of a sets A and B. Now, how to achieve this? We can say here that, for example, palindrome of odd length can be. It is a case that it can be a palindrome of only A's or it can be palindrome of only B's. So, A is recursively occurring itself and B is recursively occurring itself. So, for such case, we will write a grammar like A recursion. Why we are taking here double A here? Because it is of a odd length. So here S can be replaced with any letter. And for the palindrome mechanism, we know that if the left hand side and right hand side having the same symbol, then whatever will be the middle, the reverse case will be applying the same. Means for example, it is a ABA. Then if we reverse it, then ABA again will achieve. For that case, we are taking here the double A. And again also it is same case for B. So it is a BSB. Now it is a requirement to replace the S with another letters, and we know that for any string to be palindrome, it may be like single letters also, be single A, single B also. So it is a case like S gives A, S gives B also. And if we will solve any string uh, by this grammar, we will get definitely the palindrome answer. For that, we will take one example, that is the string is A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Now it is of odd length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is an odd number. How it will be achieved? First of all, we will replace S with A, S, A. Now we will see here, both A's are achieved. Only this string is remaining. Now, from which you have to start? You have to start from B. So, for that we will replace it with BSB. So, it is a BSBA. Now, these two B's are achieved. Now, we will replace it again with A. That is the AB, ABA, BA. ASA. Now here ABA is achieved. Here ABA is achieved. Now only B is written. For that case, for this S, we will replace simply B. So it is a ABA, B, ABA. And if we reverse it, we will get the same answer. So after seeing this example, we can confirm that our grammar is correct. Now we will take one another example